This year, Kinna Automatic teams up with our partner, CCS from US and Borsoi from Italy. Together we're showing a complete pillow line, fully automatic, meaning that we go from fiber bale through filling, sewing, all the way into packing. We are also proud to say that all our machines are module based, so we are able to put together a very flexible line. By choosing robot cells, you are able to go fully automatic, but if the customer wants to go semi-automatic, we could change the robot to an operator instead.